Guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Claude AI for data extraction. If you're using Claude AI and you want to use your Claude AI for data extractions, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser and here just simply go to your Claude AI. You have to make sure that you are logged into your account. So here you have to enter what you want to extract from your unstructured data. So the very first thing you need, you just have to make sure that you have entered the correct output you need to extract the data. So let's see, I have a simple basic example prompt for this. So here the very first thing you have to enter, extract structured data from the text below. And then you have to enter the text you want to extract the structured data. And once you have done this, click on submit and it will extract only the structured data from this. So here's the structured data. So in this way you can easily extract structured data from your text. So you can also mention your output from here. So here I have entered JSON, so it's giving me output in JSON phase, or if you want to get output in any other format, so you can also enter or select that from here. So in this way you can easily extract or structure data from your unstructured text. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.